The Digital Manufacturing Playbook is a publication that the Institution of Engineering and Technology, through the design and production sector, is trying to bring out to the UK world to enable manufacturers and businesses to understand how to make sense of the digital transformation of manufacturing and all the surrounding possible hype that sometimes confuses companies, especially SMEs, when they're trying to make sense of all those complex and interesting technologies. A lot of people are saying to manufacturers, you have to deploy sensors, you have to deploy more automation, you have to do a lot of stuff, which is interesting because it's generating a lot of excitement. However, our manufacturing colleagues are very practically minded people. They want to know, amongst all the opportunities that they have, which ones are the ones to pursue. There are two reasons, we believe, for manufacturers to get into this subject. One, reduce costs. There are existing case studies where manufacturers, by deploying new technologies, part of the fourth industrial revolution, they've managed to make significant savings. And the second reason is to ensure that they're not being out-competed by similar companies elsewhere in the world who may be able to reduce their costs faster than they can and innovate faster than they can for their clients. So it's a two-pronged approach. Save cost, be able to keep up with competition. We recommend manufacturers to start with the data that they already have, with the systems that they already have, try and connect them using these new technologies, because now the possibility of connecting different layers of digital tools and computerized equipment is much easier, faster and cheaper. By connecting the existing digital infrastructure and the machinery that they may have and the production lines, they may be able to create more relevant real-time dashboards. So a dashboard that can be carried on a smartphone or a tablet that shows in real time the 6 key performance indicators for their business. It's something that may save them the most valuable resource that they have in their business life, which is their time. Having a digital playbook like all the publications, the short publications that we provide as the Institution of Engineering and Technology through the design and production sector, the purpose is to demystify complexity, to create practical guides for practically minded people to make the next steps of improvement. This is no hard sell, this is diving into the complexity and coming out with something that is simple enough to be understood, to be deployed, to be challenged. And we hope that as volunteers in the design and production sector, we can fulfill that mission.